Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies soft and chewy. First, ensure your ingredients are at room temperature for optimal mixing. Using more brown sugar than white sugar is crucial. It adds moisture and a delightful chewiness. Also, melt your butter and let it cool slightly before incorporating it. This helps prevent the cookies from spreading too much and contributes to that perfect soft texture. Don't forget an extra egg yolk for added richness and a tender crumb. For the best texture, consider using a mix of flours, perhaps 1/4 bread flour and 3/4 all-purpose flour. This blend provides a nice balance of chewiness and tenderness. When combining your wet and dry ingredients, mix just until everything is incorporated. Overmixing develops too much gluten, leading to tough cookies. Finally, chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes or even overnight allows the flavors to meld and prevents excessive spreading during baking. Baking temperature and time are critical for soft, chewy cookies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your cookies for approximately 9 to 11 minutes. You want the edges to be lightly golden and set, but the center should still look slightly underbaked and soft. This ensures they remain chewy after cooling. Once out of the oven, let them rest on the hot baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. To keep your chocolate chip cookies wonderfully soft and chewy for days, proper storage is key. Once completely cooled, place them in an airtight container. A clever trick is to add a half slice of plain white bread to the container. The cookies will absorb moisture from the bread, staying soft longer. Enjoy your perfectly baked treats. And hey, if you're looking for great ways to organize your kitchen or pack lunches, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.